this is exactly how you can set daily limit on YouTube Short. So if you want to stop using YouTube Short at a particular hour, but you don't want to turn off YouTube Short completely on your account, then this is exactly how you can control your YouTube Short daily limit. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, you need to go ahead and open the YouTube application. Click on the U button at the bottom right, and then click on settings at the top right. Click on time management. Scroll down. You should see daily limit. If your daily limit is turned off, just go ahead and turn it on. Now go ahead and select how long you want to spend using YouTube Short per day on your account. In this case, I'm going to set this to 30 minutes. Then you should see scrolling is paused after 30 minutes, but you may still see individual short. After that, you can now go ahead and close the YouTube application. So if you go ahead and open YouTube and then select YouTube Short, then you'll be able to watch the YouTube Short for only 30 minutes per day or 1 hour per day, depending on your settings. So that's exactly how you can limit the time you spend on YouTube Shorts per day. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.